This is a room tour at the Cromwell, Las Vegas, room 541. You walk in, here's the overview of the room. When you come in, you have a nice couch seating area. This is like a backgammon board, I think, but it turns into a table, so you can sit there and eat. There's some interesting artwork, cool wallpaper. Over here is your first little side table. This is a noise machine, so you can get ocean sounds if you need that to sleep. Or it kind of sounds like a fan also. Of course, your telephone and storage drawer right there. You have your big screen TV, snacks, ice bucket, cups, of course. Down here is a mini bar. A lot of the Caesars properties do have separate refrigerators, but they do not, so I'm not touching that. Over here is storage drawer, of course, and the bottom drawer is your safe. You have this interesting lamp and chair combo and a very large mirror that actually is looked into the shower, so you can see the shower from here. Over here is the very, very big bed. It's very pretty, very nice. Another end table, and there are outlets on the end table. I like that. Here is your closet area. You have, of course, a luggage rack, ironing board, all this good stuff. Your iron storage drawers if you want to unpack. Over here, you do have a vanity area. I like this very much. Nice vanity, your hair dryer. There's a little chair, do your makeup. This I do not like. This, I don't even know what this is supposed to be. But I know that NFR is starting tomorrow, so I think they are kind of sold out. So I got a really crap view of nothing. Just work trucks, and I think that's air conditioning. And the side of Bally's. So not so great. But I'm only here one night, so that's okay. Right here you have a very nice barn door. That is the door to go to the restroom area. Right here is the little restroom area, which is nice, except there's no door, but that's okay. Of course, we always need a picture of a dog while you go to the bathroom, because you do. There is a little window right here. I think back in the day you could go out on the little balcony, but not anymore. But there's a little window if you need some air. Sink area, it's okay, not a lot of space. Nice mirror, nice lighting. This is really awesome though, is the shower. The shower is pretty cool. Got overhead waterfall shower, and then this saying, enjoy the good life. There you go. And of course, little toiletries right there, a little bench if you need that. And this is the two-way mirror that goes out to the living area. So I don't know how that works. I think if you turn off the lights, you can see it. I'm not sure. But this is an overview of the room. This was a room tour at the Cromwell. If you liked it, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.